Let's embark on the discovery of our home supercluster, Laniakea. All colored dots in this scene are galaxies belonging to this large structure as seen from Earth. We live in a beautiful large blue spiral galaxy, just one of many in this small universe volume of size 32,000 km per second on a side. Each black dot is a galaxy with a measured redshift in the 2-mass extended source catalog. The flux-limited selection of this survey results in a spatial coverage that is densest near the center. As we just saw during the zoom-out, obscuration by the Milky Way creates the large vertical artificially vacant zone. Redshift space distortion causes clusters of galaxies to appear elongated towards the center of the cube. Cosmic flow's 2 peculiar velocity measurements are superimposed during this half rotation. Gravitational peculiar motions towards us are in blue and motions away are in red. The scene now transitions to peculiar velocity flow lines derived from a Wiener filter analysis of the cosmic flow's 2 peculiar velocity field. Our galaxy is located at the origin indicated by the 3 central colored directional vectors. Here we superimpose the potential field responsible for the peculiar velocity flow. The Shapley galaxy concentration is the dominant local feature. The secondary feature in the direction of Lepus appears to be connected. Contours transition to the Wiener filter overdensity field. Contours are prominent near the center, where the peculiar velocity information is dense and accurate, but diminishes at large distance from the center, where information is sparse and uncertain. Local components of velocity flows begin to be distinguished. Hercules separates from Shapley, and Perseus Pisces separates from Lepus. Here we see contours of the cosmic web as defined by the velocity web. Local eigenvalues of the shear tensor are evaluated, giving the red, blue, and white contours enclosing knots, filaments, and sheets. We see local velocity flows in 2 adjacent regions. We live in the region of the black flow lines, but we are near the transition to the red flow lines associated with the Perseus-Pisces basin of attraction. Galaxies from a redshift catalog are superimposed with colors associating them with separate major features. The black circle centered at our location defines the region of densities giving rise to these local cosmic flows represented in black and red. We now impose a new center and radius on the Wiener filter density field. and the velocity flow lines are restricted to the watershed of this basin of attraction. Galaxies from the redshift catalog are again superimposed with colors distinguishing separate major features. A surface encloses the limits of the watershed. Black vectors illustrate the cosmic flow of galaxies towards a location near the Norma cluster and the local potential minimum of this basin of attraction. We call the watershed feeding our basin of attraction the Laniakea supercluster.